So right now I'm going to be bagging all my towels and my good towels and my crappy towels. And I'm going to be covering all the doorways because I've been told when they do constructions, especially on bathrooms, that dust flies everywhere. So if you're getting any kind of constructions and the contractors say, oh, don't worry about the dust, do not believe them, because I just was almost lost my voice again from dust. So trust me, the masks are important. And also these closets, even though they're sealed, you can either have them seal these with plastic or take the things out and seal them anyway so that you don't have to clean dust later. Just a tip. So we'll show you more in a little while. So I've been securing all my beautiful white towels so that they don't get dust all over them. And this is where I've been sleeping. So as you can see, this is a little messy over here. I got all these plastic drawers and put some of the clothes that I'll be wearing this summer as I come in and out of my house will be here, and then I'm covering them with plastic in about 5 minutes. So this is the plastic. I have layers and layers and layers, and then I cover them with blankets. And then I'm going to cover the doors. As you can see, I got towels to cover the underneath of the doors so that the dust doesn't come through. So I'm like a dust exterminator. I'm like so over dust right now. So if you're cleaning your house, you should try doing this. It's really important. Thanks. So this is the shower. What we're going to do is we're going to move the shower over, take out the wall, have it be all glass. And then there's going to be beautiful tile behind this wall. This is my copper bathroom, and it's going to now be gray and all beautiful, beautiful tiles. You'll be seeing it soon. Okay, so it's all going to be done in white and silver. It's really going to be cool. But what they're doing with this part of my closet is they're going to cut out this area and make it sort of my little sanctuary with all my jewelry and my accessories, and a little seating area for makeup and all that. So this will be my little makeup area, and then all of this will be completely open. This door will be gone, and this will all be really beautiful tile. I don't know if you can see the shimmer of it, and there will be gray accents and really beautiful flooring and beautiful wood floor. So it's really like in the raw state right now, and you'll be getting to see the progression.